they reserve that offer for the
Friday.
for tonight in
Solo. I've got some in the car.
I don't have anything for that. You were born in terms of dengue or dengue?
Malaria.
No, malaria there isn't some cause.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Are you from some organization or something?
We are here for a conference on public health tomorrow in Solo.
Oh,
Yeah, please come join us.
Yes.
Great.
And so
All medical
you are
students.
The medicals. You are our colleagues. Have to take a picture.
yes.
Come on. Come on, the picture. I thought you are a football team or something. But then I saw it.
Yeah, I'll go there. I'll go there. You'll take my picture? Okay, let me finish this.
They will change health of all the people here. They will do it. Yes.
Satu, dua, tiga.
And good. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
you're already at the end of your study? In the middle? Yeah, thank you. Okay, so very beginning.
And still a long way for us.
Some 4 years to go.
Yeah, so the conference will be held in tomorrow.
So what do you want to become? A physician, a doctor?
Yeah,
What kind of doctor?
I want to be an internist.
Internist. Okay. All right.
Public health, yeah.
And how many years do you have to study?
I'm in my third year.
Third year now. Okay, so 2 more years, and then intern.
1.5 years for pre-clinic,
Okay,
and then 2 more years for clinical study.
I see. The same university.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to work in the same area,
Uh,
in the same location, or you want to go somewhere else?
Actually, I want to go somewhere else.
Somewhere else. Okay. Inside Indonesia or outside Indonesia?
Inside.
Inside
For
Indonesia.
my beginning career, I want to
Okay.
start in Indonesia.
All right. Cool. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Okay.
Half. Medicine is almost half. More goes.
First,
It's predominant. They are the majority. Okay. Wait, it will change.
So are you interviewing them
I'm wondering how the medical study is going on here.
in
Like
Indonesia?
the same. It's
Everywhere.
60. It's the same, yeah. But the
60.
changing of now in Europe, it becomes more and more a female profession.
Sure.
women are doing medicine.
Yeah, how about
Yes.
Indonesia? What is the...
Look at this, look at
Yeah,
this,
look at
this.
But is it a good sample? I'm not sure. In
They
Malaysia, I
say
heard
it's a
that.
sample.
It's
How
a
is it in
sample.
Malaysia?
I heard in Malaysia. I'm not from Malaysia, by the way.
Oh,
but I
okay.
heard
Where
in
are you from?
Malaysia. I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh working in Japan.
Working in Japan, right.
Since 30 years.
Before you guys were born.
So almost
30.
Japanese, but you can't see it directly. He's not
Yeah, I
really...
speak Japanese.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Bangladeshi.
In Bangladeshi, yes, of course, Bangla language I speak.
How many countries that will attend the
conference.
Yeah,
Conference, more than 10.
We have more than 10. Yes.
more than 10 countries.
Yeah.
Are you guys
Please join us.
from like together or just like you guys are invited and
We were
come from-
invited as speakers, I think.
Yeah, we are
Oh,
speaking. We'll be
invited
speaking.
speakers.
Yeah,
Speakers.
tomorrow.
So, and you're going back to Solo today?
Yes, we're from health organization. It's like from college students. So
Yes.
we're medical students. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
yeah,
It's for CIMSA. It stands for Center for Indonesian Medical Student Association.
Oh,
Are you
okay.
part of IFM?
Activities.
You're part of IFM?
And
Oh,
my God, okay.
We also have an exchange, like the professional exchange on
yes, with
FMSA.
IFMSA.
Fantastic. Yeah, in Japan we have a
6
very big
standing
one.
committees. Right?
Yes, we have also 6 standing
Yes,
committees.
okay. So one of you will come to Geneva because IFMSA is in Geneva. And I'm based in Geneva.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
we always have students from IFFMA coming in
Yeah.
to our offices
Fantastic.
because our World Federation has IFSMA as a member. I'm the executive director of the World Federation of Public Health Associations, so the umbrella, and we have
Get her
IFMS
business card now.
and-
Yeah.
I'm thinking over it right now.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's have
This is so cool.
exchange
This
it.
is so
Yeah.
cool. Let's
If you
exchange.
guys have business cards, please exchange.
Blick in my dig into it. Yes. So this is my card as a professor, and this is my card as a executive director of the World Federation. Okay. So something. So for someone else, and then you take photos and distribute it.
Okay.
Yeah,
We
and so
all
based in Geneva,
Based in
and
Geneva.
the IFMSA is also based in Geneva.
Yeah.
Close to Geneva, Ferney-Voltaire, which is in France, but it's almost Geneva. And then probably with the exchange programs,
Yeah.
you may be
Yeah, we
traveling.
can do some exchange
Yeah.
We
programs.
also have a student that come exchange to our university,
Oh, okay.
and in this month, actually, yeah.
And I'm linked to IFMSA on Facebook a lot. You
Okay.
can find me with my name on Facebook and also on Twitter
I'm on
and
Facebook
on
Live now.
Instagram.
Really?
Yeah.
Instagram, okay,
Right now.
okay.
Hi from Chimsa.
Hi from Chimsa.
Exactly, Simsa.
Hi,
And
IFMSA.
IFMSA.
Hi, IFMSA. Here we are in Indonesia. Hello. All future medical professionals.
Yeah, let's be linked.
Simsa.
Pernah pergi ke Jepang?
Haven't.
We have
Haven't. Okay, come
And
visit
Chimsa
us.
also a national member organization of FMSA.
FMSA.
Yes,
we're
I
on
thought
still
so. When
Yeah.
I saw it, it sounds like,
Yeah.
IFMSA, but the Indonesian.
Yeah,
that's right.
That's right. Good to meet you up here.
Yeah.
So you'll find me again with my name.